Hey everyone, it's Martin Ross, and today we're going to be learning Dance Floor by Zapp and Roger. I hope all of you are having a great holiday and holiday givings, whatever you celebrate. Before we get into it, please help me build this channel by checking out the links in the description. You checking out those links in the description helps me continue making videos. It helps support me to be more focused on making videos and doing requests. Also, please help me grow the channel by liking and commenting so that algorithm can kick in and get this video spread around. Also subscribe, click the bell so that way updates go straight to your device. Also share the video to someone you think that might like it. Without further ado, let's learn Dance Floor by Zapp and Roger. A previous video, if you know the video, comment, let me know that you're watching. We're going to change the pitch, the tune of the pitch to max 50. So plus, max, whatever on any synthesizer. So find your pitch, find your tune and max it out to the plus side. So whatever it is, plus 100. So for me, it's plus 50. All right. And we're going to play this in D minor. Now we could play this in D Dorian because I'm not really using the D flat, but I'll just, without getting things convoluted, let's show you what D minor is. D minor is D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. All right. Now for Dorian, it's D to D, all white. So D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. So we're going to be using the B a lot, B natural, instead of the B flat, okay? So just keep that in mind. We will use the B flat in one of the parts. So to make this kind of more focused in areas, we're going to do the let me see you move it on the dance floor part. Now there's three parts, and I'm going to go over the first, second, and third, all first. All right. So for that, the very first part, the let me see you move it on the dance floor, when he opens up the song, the notes that I'm going to be using is A, B, and C. Let me see you move it on the dance floor, baby. Can I see you move it on the dance floor, baby? I wanna see you move it on the dance floor, baby. I might get the lyrics all mixed up, but please understand it's the same exact formula, same exact notes. All right, so for the second part, we're gonna go down. The notes that I hear is F, G, and A. Let me see you move it on the dance floor, baby. I wanna see you move it on the dance floor, baby. All right, and then for the third part, we're gonna go up higher in octave, and we're gonna go C, D, and E. Let me see you move it on the dance floor, baby. I wanna see you move it on the dance floor, baby. All right, so for the next part, we are doing like the pre-chorus or the bridge parts. He uses the C. Now you can do two options. You can pitch bend it, which I prefer, or you can do the C-D option where it goes. Whatever you want to use, I prefer the pitch bend because it feels better. So I'll show you the pitch bend way, and I'll show you the note gliding way. So you can go. Ooh, baby, you look so good to me. I prefer this. Ooh, baby, you look so good to me. Into like the second part, it's the same notes. It's gonna go. Ooh, you're sexy, yeah. You blow my mind. Oh, it's the way you dance. Ooh, don't you ever stop. Again, I could probably get the lyrics wrong, but the same idea. So again, remember you got a pitch bend on that G. Oh, the way you went. All right, so on that G, you got to make sure you do that pitch bend. So it's gonna go. Oh, the way you dance. Ooh, don't you ever stop. And then there goes that B flat. Ooh, don't you ever stop. All right, before we finish this video, please, if you've gotten this far, leave a like, comment, subscribe, click the bell. and share. Check out those things too. Now, the shake it for me part, as you've heard from California Love, it's in this song, and it's just the F, G, and the A. And it's going to go, shake, shake it, baby. Shake, shake it. Shake, shake it, mama. Shake it for me. And, you can use the mod wheel however you want. So hopefully that helps you get you in the right direction. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also subscribe, click the bell. Help my channel grow by sharing. Also help me out to continue making videos. Check those links out in the description. And there you have it, Zapp and Rogers Dance Floor. This is Martin Ross. Y'all have a good one.